Seller says he will not sign any wholesale contract. What do I do? First of all, what is a wholesale contract? There is no such thing. But of course, real estate wholesaling is a viable and extremely lucrative income generator and business model. I've made up to $82,000 from a single deal with this real estate investing method without investing my own money. If that's the case, where is the terminology wholesale contract coming from? In order to address this properly, let's first understand what real estate wholesale is, right? Real estate wholesale is the heart and science of 1. Finding a motivated seller with a deeply discounted property. 2. Locking the property under contract for a discounted price for nothing. And 3. Selling the contract to an investor for a fee. So as you can see, this lucrative process is driven by finding motivated seller, which is purely 100% a marketing activity. For example, a single mother who just realized she can't afford to keep a home after the divorce found your I buy houses marketing message and decided to call you. She needs to get rid of the house and could care less how you do it and at what price. Essentially, it becomes a blessing for her to give away the house. So the reason why anyone will encounter someone who is picky about a contract is because a non-motivated seller has been engaged. Out of every 100 sellers you encounter, expect that only 10 or less will be a true motivated seller. Typically, a life event and a lot of repairs is needed. And that's the reason why anyone would want to give away a house. If you can only expect 10% or less of your contacts to be motivated, learning how to market properly with respect to your available resources is key and your only hope. There is no way around it. No magical website is going to do it. Your only hope is education on how to market, just like the gurus, the doers, and top producers. Any real estate contract will work for a motivated seller. You can do everything wrong and you will still close the deal. A non-motivated seller will pull excuses over and over, and it will never lead to a closed deal. The business is very simple, but non-educated people complicate it. I found a motivated seller with a house that needs $55,000 in repairs. After repair, the house is worth $400,000 based on 6 months recent sales within 1 mile radius. I offered 400 multiplied by 55% minus $55,000 of repair, and that makes it $165,000. She countered at $175,000. I accepted and she e-signed my assignable contract. I sold and assigned the contract to an investor for a fee of $30,000. It's that simple. Everyone got what they want and I got paid. The only thing that will complicate this for you is not finding motivated seller due to lack of knowledge in marketing.